This generation is becoming weaker than ever, not because men are lazy, but because their testosterone is getting destroyed every single day. And the worst part? Most people don't even realize it until their body starts breaking down. Low energy, weak muscles, brain fog, no confidence, no aggression, no drive. And today I'll show you how to naturally increase your testosterone without dangerous steroids or fake 30-day hacks. But stay till the end, because one natural thing can massively boost your testosterone levels naturally, and almost nobody talks about it. Imagine two men, both work out, both sleep well, both try to improve themselves, but person A keeps getting stronger every month. His body recovers fast, his confidence grows, his strength explodes. Meanwhile, person B feels tired all the time. His lower back hurts, his legs cramp, his body feels weak even after resting. And this is happening to millions of men right now, not because of genetics, but because their testosterone is crashing. And testosterone is not just about muscles, it affects over 200 functions inside your body. Your energy, your confidence, your motivation, your recovery, even the way people perceive you. So first, let's see the biggest signs that your testosterone is low. If you rarely get morning wood or your erections feel weak, that's one of the clearest signs of low testosterone. Here's why. Around your private area are blood vessels. When proper blood flow happens, erections become stronger. And in the morning, testosterone levels are naturally at their highest. That's why healthy men usually wake up with strong morning erections. But if you don't, it can mean your blood circulation, nerve sensitivity, and testosterone levels are weak. And it gets worse. Low testosterone also reduces nitric oxide production, which makes it harder to get and maintain strong erections. And no, this is not normal. Your body is literally warning you. But here's something most people don't know. Some men actually have normal testosterone levels on paper, yet their body still acts like they have low testosterone. Why? Because one hidden habit is silently killing their androgen receptors. And if your receptors are weak, even high testosterone becomes useless. I'll explain that later. If your body looks weak, your muscles feel flat, your bones ache, don't blame genetics immediately. If you're under 35 or 40 and still feel physically weak during normal tasks, that is not normal. A strong male body is designed to be energetic, explosive, and resilient. But today people have normalized body fatigue, back pain, constant weakness, low stamina. And instead of fixing the cause, they call it stress and move on. Low testosterone weakens muscle recovery, bone density, and physical performance. Your body slowly becomes softer and weaker over time, and most men don't notice it until it becomes serious. If fat keeps building around your chest and belly, that can be another sign of low testosterone, because body fat increases an enzyme called aromatase. And aromatase converts testosterone into estrogen, which means more fat, lower testosterone, even more fat. It becomes a vicious cycle. Meanwhile, men with healthy testosterone levels burn fat faster and maintain visible muscle more easily. So if your chest is getting puffier, your stomach keeps growing, and your body feels softer every month, your hormones may already be out of balance. And now I'm going to say something controversial. Some men are destroying their testosterone every single night. Without alcohol, without smoking, without steroids, just with one modern habit. And almost everybody does it before sleeping. I'll reveal it in a minute. But first, there's something even more dangerous than physical weakness. Mental weakness. Low testosterone doesn't just affect your body, it affects your mind too. Brain fog, fear, low confidence, no ambition, constant frustration. You stop feeling sharp, you stop feeling driven, and slowly, you lose masculine energy that pushes men to dominate, compete, and improve. A man with healthy testosterone usually feels focused, competitive, energetic, ambitious. That's why fixing your hormones can literally change your entire personality. Now let's talk about how to naturally increase testosterone. And the first method is probably the most powerful one. But before that, there's one huge lie fitness influencers keep spreading. They tell you testosterone is only about lifting weights. That's false, because some gym guys still have terrible testosterone levels, while some athletic men naturally radiate masculine energy without looking massive. So what actually matters? Your recovery system. And that starts with sleep. Almost 90% of your recovery happens during sleep. Muscle repair, growth hormone release, and most importantly, testosterone production. Sleep and testosterone work in a cycle. Low testosterone ruins sleep quality, and poor sleep destroys testosterone even more. Now remember that modern habit I mentioned earlier? Blue light, your phone before sleep. When you constantly expose your eyes to blue light at night, melatonin production gets disrupted. And melatonin is critical for deep recovery sleep, which means your phone is indirectly lowering your testosterone. So if you want to naturally boost testosterone for free, sleep 7-8 hours, keep your room dark, turn your phone off before bed, and place it far away from your body. Do this consistently, and your recovery system will completely change. If your blood flow feels weak, Kegel exercises can help strengthen the muscles around your pelvic area. But don't perform them randomly. Slow, controlled, intentional reps. Hold every movement for 1 to 2 seconds. This improves blood flow and strengthens your core muscles. And another powerful exercise? Squats. Heavy compound movements force your body to adapt, and adaptation increases hormone production. That's why athletes who train explosively often feel more energetic and masculine. But here's the scary part. Some men train hard for years, yet their testosterone still stays low. Why? Because they're missing one thing that controls almost every hormone inside the body: nutrition. And most people are completely deficient in it. Your body oozes to demand. When you push your limits, your body adapts by becoming stronger. That includes hormone production too. Competition, intensity, explosive movement. These things naturally increase testosterone. So stop staying inside your comfort zone. Sprint, do explosive push-ups, train harder than usual. If you can do 20 push-ups, try reaching 40. Your body needs a reason to evolve, and comfort never creates strong men. Nutrition is one of the biggest missing pieces today. Most people are under-eating protein, minerals, and healthy fats, and then they wonder why they feel weak. Your body literally needs nutrients to produce hormones. Now I know many of you are vegetarian, so focus on eggs, milk, high-quality protein sources, and supplements if necessary. Do the best you can with your situation, because even small improvements matter. Fix the foundation first, then everything else becomes powerful. And if you watched till this point, then you now understand why modern men are becoming weaker every year. But this is only the beginning, because testosterone alone is not enough. If your body is missing specific nutrients, your hormones still won't work properly. That's why in my next video, I'll explain the exact nutrients that build a stronger masculine body naturally. And trust me, most people are severely deficient in them.